Hi, welcome back. This is Blue's Garden, fall planting for garlic. 2-minute tips. I take the bulbs, I separate each of the cloves out, and I try and arrange them in some very loose soil. When you separate out the bulbs, I like to leave the papery skin on. It's important, gives a little extra protection. Arrange each of the cloves about 4 to 6 inches apart in this loose soil. And don't forget, the rough estimate is about 1 clove per gallon of soil. Once I've fully arranged all the garlic, in my area it gets pretty cold, so I have to add about 3 or 4 inches of soil on top. After topping off, then I begin to add a couple of inches of some garden straw, just as a mulch, as additional protection against the cold. Sorry about the focus on this, but here you see I'm just prepping another bin for another grow bag for the garlic cloves. And what I'm doing first is loosening up the soil. I'll take another bunch of cloves, again arrange them about 4 to 6 inches apart. I use the center as well, so there's pretty even coverage. This is hardneck garlic, and that's the actual hard neck, as opposed to the soft neck garlic, which really doesn't do as well in my cold climate. Hardneck needs the cold temperatures, the freezing cold winters. Here you see me adding a couple of inches of soil just from another pot. I take out all the roots and I try and make it nice and loose over the top, remove any of the weeds and roots. And then, of course, now that I've got a little extra protection from cold, I add the straw again, a little mulch on top, just a little additional protection against the frost. Once that's done, important to water in your garlic. And now we wait till spring. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips. Thank you very much.